I've
Yeah.
actually subscribed to the opposite school of thought that the
Yeah.
PLG is product-led growth for the listeners. So we've talked
Yeah.
about product-led growth on other episodes, but essentially product-led growth is like building in features to your product that are like an onboard to your product.
Mm.
So the user doesn't have to talk to a sales team to use your product. They can just like go click a button, sign up, put a credit card in, and then there's like an onboarding ramp right into the product that helps them, like a wizard or something, or like a step one, step two, step three onboarding that helps them get set up in your product ecosystem. But doing product led growth or PLG too early in the life cycle of a company, I think is a disservice. That's at least the school of thought I subscribe to, because if you're not fully validated yet and you start to try to do PLG, like if it's not working, what do you start to troubleshoot first? Is it like your ads aren't the right copy? Is your landing page not right? Is your PLG not right? Or is your product and your product thesis as a whole not
Yeah.
right? Like, how do you, like, where do you start to troubleshoot?